Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you all having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing something out of my box, like something that I have never used before. This is my first time trying a pigmented neon eyeshadow, okay? And I'm going to be creating a look with it. I've never done this before, like off the camera, on the camera, I have not. So this package was sent to me by Darella Cosmetics, and I already opened it because I did the swatches of the lash eyeshadow, and I posted it on my Instagram. I will insert the picture for you guys to see how pigmented they are. But in order not to prolong this video, you just see that I'm already made up. I just needed to do my eyes and just apply my lipstick or lip gloss. I'm actually thinking of combining these two shades together to get the lips that I'll be going for. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. So I opened the product already that came in from Darella Cosmetics. Thank you once again for this brand. I appreciate you for sending me this gift once again, the PR package. Okay, I appreciate you. It came with eyelashes. All right, this is one of their brand. This is called Gifty. Okay, and these are the pigmented neon that came in eyeshadow. Guys, you all don't want to know how my heartbeat is going like right now, because I've never used this before. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create the look I have in mind. So let me quickly show you guys the shades of eyeshadow that I have here. I've got this that says Enchanted, and it's purple. Enchanted, that's the name of this. I have to be very careful because I know pigmented and neon powder, they kind of, they'll be everywhere if care is not taken. This is Fierce, and this is how Fierce look like. Like I said, I will insert a picture somewhere for you guys to see when I did the swatches. I posted it on Instagram. And so the third one, which is called Darella Cosmetics, is actually named after a company. And this is how it looks like. It's like a yellowish, like a, I don't know, I can't call it yellow, it's green. Like, it's green, but in the screen you think it's yellow, but it's not yellow, it's green. And like I have not told you about her, she's also a YouTuber. She's on YouTube here, and she goes by Lillian Dare on her YouTube channel, and her cosmetics company name, it's called Darella Cosmetics. Thank you for including me in your PR package. I appreciate you for this amazing gift that you sent to me once again. God bless you and increase you and your company in Jesus' name. So let's move on into today's video. Like, guys, oh my god, I'm thinking how I'm going to achieve this. Yeah, I already prepped my eyelid with this primer by Unique Moisture Eye Primer. That's what I've used to prime my eyelid. So I'm gonna start with I'm not gonna use any of those to do my transition color, but I have in mind to use this from the Juvia's Lace palette. I actually just used this palette recently and I haven't put it back, so I decided to just use it instead of going into my collection and looking for something else. So that's what I'm going to be using as my transition color. Yay, let's go into it. I'm starting with Fierce, the ones that says Fierce, to dust it out a little bit so I don't have a lot all over. I mean, this is powder, that's how they are. Not that the quality is not good, it is good. That's how it works. You have to dust it a little bit so it doesn't fly all over. So I'm coming in with Darella. I'll be coming in with the one that said Enchanted. That is it right there.
So in order not to prolong this video, I did the rest of my face off the camera, pop in the false lashes and apply my lipstick.
Spells on the beat.
So guys, this is the concluding part of this video. So I pop on the false lashes that was sent to me also from the same company. I pop it on. This is very dramatic, like very dramatic. I love it. The name is Gifty. You all want to check out our website, Darella Cosmetics. Please check them out. They have amazing product there and very affordable. So this is my first time using neon pigmented eyeshadow. Like guys, don't do what I did. Do it before you put your foundation, your highlighter and all that good stuff. It took me a while before I could be able to get rid of a little bit of the dusty one that came on my face. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.